Okay, quick question. Have you ever seen something really weird, but your brain just refuses to accept it? Like, it's real, but it still feels wrong somehow. I love those kinds of things, especially simple experiments you can do at home. No special tools, no crazy setups, just everyday stuff like a water and a bowl, clean bowl. And suddenly nothing makes sense anymore. And today's experiment is exactly like that. All you need is a glass, some water, and a thick thick carton or a thick paper. Put it somewhere. And that's it. Which honestly even make it more suspicious. I'm going to flip the glass upside down and the water won't fall. Yeah, I don't believe it either. Alright, let's try this. I filled the glass completely with water. You can see water. I can't. Yes, it has water in it. Be careful. And just in case it goes wrong, I'm putting a bowl under it because I like my table. Now I'm placing thick card on top. Card. Not a thin one. It needs to be strong. So far everything is normal. Now comes the part where things can be going way wrong. If this fails, this was a terrible idea. Alright, focus. I'm flipping it. 3, 2, 1. I'm pulling my hand. As you can see, the water don't falls. I can do this thing, can slightly move. It was but this isn't magic, it's science. This works because of the air pressure in this glass. The air outside is pushing the card upward, and that force is strong enough to hold water inside the glass. So basically, the air is doing all the work. Air is tired. And the craziest part is, it looks like magic. How can the water stay in there? You can show your friends this science experiment and their brain will go if they don't know. And this video ends here. And be with science and like your table. Bye bye.